Alright guys, so it is not Motor Monday. I wish it was, but what today is Coney Tuesday, because we are installing the Coney shocks on Christian's car, on the Saleen. So anyways, it's looking good today. I'm in the shop today. Tyler's out right now. I think he's about getting parts or paint or something, I don't know. But I wanted to show you guys something that I found. So on these Fox bodies, there are two different Coneys that have different sizes for the spindles. So I went and took his old ones off, and I'm putting NOS ones on that Christian sent to us. And I just wanted to show you guys that these have two different size spots for the where the spindle bolts up. So on a normal Fox body, usually there's two spacers. On a aftermarket, I guess, Coney from Saleen, they don't have any spacers. It's just a lot smaller. So what obviously we have to do is just add the two spacers, not a big deal. But another thing that I found too is, for whatever reason, I don't know exactly what these go to. These are still adjustable. I feel like one's a little bit longer than the other, but it's really just where the threads are, which is kind of strange. So maybe that's SN95. I'm kind of scared. I guess we'll see if it fits. But it's hard to tell here in the video, but I promise you that these holes are wider spaced apart. So what I had to do on the driver's side is I had to actually elongate the top hole so that it would actually bolt up, because the bolts wouldn't go through. I could get one in the bottom, couldn't get one in the top, or I put one in the top, couldn't get in the bottom. So what I did was I realized that the bolt had to come out a little bit. So it is really hard to tell here, but I promise you that these are farther spaced apart from those. So whenever you guys are buying stuff, even though it says NOS or whatever the case may be, that doesn't mean they're exact right. So part numbers are a little bit different. So this is 8741 1121. This is 8741 1103. I don't know, they're both adjustable Coneys. They both are cool as hell, but they don't fit technically. So I had to do a little bit of customization, and I mean, that's what we do here. So we want them to fit, and Christian likes them. He sent to us. He's had those for a long time. I'm pretty sure sitting in his I don't know, closet or attic or something. Maybe his garage. I think he has a garage in his basement. So that was kind of cool. But it is looking good here on what we call Coney Tuesday. So maybe Termy Tuesday, since we got the Termy over there. But everything's just getting kind of dusty being in here, having the doors open. It's gorgeous, gorgeous weather outside, and we're just having a good day here in the shop. So I'll report back to you guys on everything else going on. We've got to put the brakes, got to put the calipers on, got to put the obviously the hubs and all the other stuff on, and then we get to put the wheels back on and get this thing to be rolling. So I'm really excited. I really want to see the thing start. I already thought about that, but maybe today I'll get it started. So Tyler, you're missing out. Come back. So we're buttoning up the suspension, and it honestly went together really well, obviously, because everything was either A, new, or B, we restored it. He did already have new rotors on it. We were going to paint them, but honestly, I mean, he's just going to drive the car, so I'm not going to paint them black. It is what it is. They already new. They're turned. They're nice. I don't even know if they're turned or they're just new. Anyways, they're not bad. Everything went together awesome. Painted the calipers. Got new new bolts in here. Like I said, I had to go and customize that a little bit and technically elongate that top hole. I don't have the spacers for it, so technically we're not gonna bolt it down and tighten it down yet. I just wanted to make sure everything fit well. I really want to see how it fits on the ground, even though that's not tight. I just want to get it kind of rolling. I did bleed the brakes in the front already, and a little bit surprised for you guys, but I got bored here, and I went and opened up the new valve covers and the Vortec Saleen intake. God, it looks so good. I was just, I don't know, having a pretty good day. It was awesome weather out, and this thing is just so sweet. I knew it was packaged up, and I couldn't help but to open it up and surprise you guys. So I've already got the wheel and everything on this side. We just kind of got to lay all the wiring out, put the battery box in, all the fun stuff, hook up all the electrical stuff. But man, I really just want to start this thing. So I mean, there's still fuel rails. Got to go and just run everything. We kind of messed this line up right here on the fuel lines, so I think we've got to replace just a piece of it, which doesn't look that easy. I guess we'll get into that probably next week. So it is Wicked Wednesday today, and it is raining outside like crazy, and cats and dogs, which is fine. We're just buttoning some stuff up here in the shop. Got a few surprises I want to show you guys. So last night I got a little bit excited. I went and installed the sway bar on Christian's car. I was just kind of getting bored and I just wanted to see what it looked like. God, it looks so good. I'm so excited. So anyways, just mess with the intake a little bit. And one thing that we really like to do is, I mean, we ask our customers kind of what they want on certain things. And sometimes they don't care. And they're like, hey guys, just take the wheel. We absolutely love that. I mean, that is freaking awesome that you guys trust us. We obviously know it looks good, so that's good. Other times people are kind of picky, so you don't know really how to take them. Anyways, Christian, Papa, you're the man, because you just said, hey Brent, you know it looks good. I mean, the intake's black, so the lower intake was, I think, silver. So anyways, what we're doing here today is we're just going and painting it black so it can match the rest of it. And then we're going touching some bolts up too. So painted the valve cover bolts, painted a few more bolts like in the engine bay. Some of them go silver, some of them go black. It just depends on what it goes to. But man, it is coming together really well. I'm excited. And then I think we're gonna have a big surprise for you guys. I'm not gonna tell anybody. We're just gonna end up doing it. Christian, we're not even telling you. We're just gonna surprise you. So the hardest part is gonna be hiding it, because I mean it's really noticeable. But Tyler will definitely approve, because that's what's original to the car. I mean, other than like the intake and some other stuff, I mean, everything we're doing is original, and we love it. So we're putting all the wiring back, obviously fuel lines, all the fun stuff. I mean, Kristen's doing the Vortec, but other than that, I mean, really, the car is going to be really original. So we are really excited. God, that seat looks so bad. Can't wait to get that interior done. But man, this thing is coming together so nicely. Anyways, just want to give you guys an update on today on a Wicked Wednesday. And, I mean, I guess it could be Wheel Wednesday. God, those are a little rough. So, anyways, Christian, really excited about the car. And we're buttoning up together for you. So, I mean, this thing's come along slowly but surely. But, I mean, you got like 5 cars anyway, so who cares, right? God, this thing's sweet. You're going to love it, man. Can't wait to drive it with you. We'll keep you guys updated.